Did you know that you can get paid to promote offers on Google News without having a website? It's all going to be shared for free inside this new book called the Loci Cycle. And it's a new way to get profits by automatically posting to Google News, mainstream image sites, and hundreds of other sites as well. Now, we've seen people following these methods in all sorts of niches, landing $2,000 or more per week in payments. But because the crypto industry is in a long-term uptrend, that's an area that you want to be focusing on, right? And this groundbreaking new system is about to go live. So this is your one and only chance to get your free copy of the book, which is right here, to see what it's all about. So get your free digital copy now and discover how to profit from any offer in any niche using special loci farms, even if you don't have a website. How to find zero competition traffic in any niche by using our 6 levels deep strategy. How to profit in the cryptocurrency and the DeFi industry without having to buy coins or worrying about any of that, should you want to do that as well. And how to promote your very own business, your very own products, your services, or offers if you have them. How to get any offer, website, or product advertised on Google News, YouTube, mainstream brand news sites, SlideShare, we're talking social media, high traffic blogs, podcast sites, and way more. All using a simple step-by-step AI-assisted content automation platform. How to post infographic image ads of any offer in any niche all across the internet through high traffic image sites. And how it all comes together to bring you free, long-term targeted buyer traffic by increasing your exposure on sites like Google, sites like YouTube, Google News, and way more. How to get all of this exposure in as little as 30 minutes using a little known content syndication platform. And this is all without paying for any ads or needing to even create any content from scratch. All you do is simply follow the steps in the software and it will put all of that together for you. And then, well, you just simply repeat the cycle on a weekly or a monthly basis, of course, depending on your goals. So hit the link, grab your free copy of the book now to see how it works. And remember, this is already a proven to work system, okay? And using an early version of this method and software, Justin made $2,999 in 7 days and just kept building from there. Adam made $150 on his very first day and then nothing for a week. And then boom, things just exploded for him. Greg got to $3,573 per month within 30 days. You had Sandra, who started to make $1,500 per month, right? Every month within just 19 days. And Iris actually made, I believe it was $1,199. And that was even before investing. And the crazy part is that today, it's even more powerful than it's ever been. Now remember, and this is really, really important, okay? The Loci method can be an online business in and of itself. Even though it's a very simple one, it still requires hard work. It still requires dedication. So you need to treat it like a business, okay? There's no such thing as easy push button riches. But there is such thing as smart tools and proven systems to make life a lot easier and of course to make your results much better. So if you're ready to put in the effort, this will give you the power to promote any product, offer online and on some of the biggest websites in the world. And that's even if you're starting from scratch. So grab your free digital copy of the Loci Cycle book now, which is in my hand, and RSVP for the live training sessions where you can discover exactly what this is all about, right? And be among the first to get access to this new method when it first launches. I'll see you on the inside.